Parvehi, a PhD student.
And I'm Ralph Patrick, a postdoc, and we're researchers at the Victor Chang Cardiac Research Institute and UNSW in Professor Richard Harvey and Robert Norton's labs.
In Australia alone, heart attack claims on average 23 lives a day, and there is one heart attack every 10 minutes. Professor Harvey's lab at the Victor Chang Institute has identified and characterized a population of adult cardiac stem cells that are important players in cardiac repair.
To develop better treatments for heart failure, we are studying all the cells, including the stem cells, that orchestrate repair of the heart. The best way to describe our research is actually in the kitchen. Similar to how a fruit smoothie can be made up of different types of fruit, the heart is made up of many different types of cells. Until now, technological limitations meant we were studying an average of the cells and genes in the heart, kind of like trying to study the properties of different fruits from a fruit smoothie. Once they're mixed together, you can't tell them apart.
Back in the lab, we are using a groundbreaking technology called single-cell RNA sequencing, which allows us to identify all of the different cell subtypes involved in healthy and diseased hearts, and quantify the activity of thousands of genes that can be turned on or off in each individual cell.
We use state-of-the-art techniques from mathematics and computer science to cluster similar cells together and understand the relationships between them. We have discovered new populations of cells that could become targets for heart repair after injury. We are even able to model and visualize dynamic processes, like how cells transform or differentiate into different types of cells. This is essential for understanding the intricacies of how cardiac cells respond to a heart attack.
In short, our research is providing an unparalleled look into each individual cell that makes our hearts beat.
Our hope is that these discoveries will ultimately lead to better outcomes for people at risk of heart disease.
Thank you for listening.